Hello to friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a Ganzo knife that I would like to share with you. For a long time I wanted to buy this version but had no luck with some of my sellers. They were completely out of stock, so when I saw this came up on sale, I did bought two of them just to demonstrate it. I really like this design. So this is the Ganzo 7503 in CF. So inside the box you will have your silica packet with a nice Firebird Ganzo pouch and the knife itself. So this is a really nicely executed, a little bit on a larger size knife. Has this beautiful composite carbon fiber with G10. You can see the layers there. It has a nice titanium nitride coating on the blade. So this is a 440C steel on the blade, so it would not need this kind of extra protection, but it's good to have it. It will probably need some time to get really smooth, because you can see a little bit of the grinding there, just because the coating is probably all over the blade. But nevertheless, it opens without any problems. You have your proven axis lock from Benchmade that is keeping your fingers safe. So specifications wise, we have a 21.2 centimeter long knife, or 8.35 inches. The handle is 12 centimeters or 4.7 inches. The blade is 9.2 or 3.6 inches. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. The handle thickness is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inch, with a integrated partially milled textured G10 backspacer. And the weight is 132 grams or 4.6 ounces, so under 5 ounces. It has your standard 3 screw pocket clip, which is also coated. Some informations on the blade. So jimping at the back, the bottom part, and also on the top, nicely functional. A little bit of a ramp here to really brace your finger for more cutting performance. So there are no hot spots whatsoever. This knife is nicely rounded. You can probably put some oil in there to make it a little more smoother if you like. If you don't have to, of course. It has a really nice grain. Overall, a beautiful example of Ganzo's craftsmanship. So you can really not go wrong with this knife. Price wise, you are looking at around $27. I strongly suggest go check out your preferred resellers. Most of the time GearBest will have a really nice flash sale. Currently they also have, but this can change of course. Depends on whenever you watch this video, and also when I'm releasing this video, because obviously I'm making them in batches, so it will take some time, but this will be uploaded, or should I say more, released. For size comparisons, I have here the Tucson 111, a Hall of Fame design from Osborne, produced by Benchmade, the 940. A well-known knife, Kershaw Skyline, Buck Vantage Pro from Buck, large reptilian from Benchmade. They're almost the same size. And let's see, Endura 4. If you are owner of a Delica, so it's Delica 4 size comparison here for you. And also a K-Bar Dozier. Okay, so let's wrap this up. If you are looking for a really nicely made carbon fiber scaled knife with a really nice and functional blade shape, this is a workhorse. Let's see the sharpness, of course. Nicely sharp out of the box. Feels really good in the hand. So I can really just strongly recommend this design. So the G7503. There are also different color variants out there. This is just the titanium gray with the coating, so you get extra protection for your blade. So, okay, so thanks for watching. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for your support. If you are not, please subscribe. I am preparing more videos and try to release them 3 per week. So stay tuned for more knife and gear related videos. And as always, have a nice day.